Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove table format in Word without deleting text. For example, in this table, if you want to keep the text and remove the table, so what you have to do is you need to select the table, and here you can see that there is a plus sign. Double click on that, and on the upper menu bar you can see there is a layout and there is a table design and there is another layout. So you need to click on the this layout, and this layout is for the table. So, and after that you need to click on the convert to text, and you can see that this convert the table to the regular text. Click on that, and here you can see there is a separated text with the multiple options, and here you need to click on the tabs. So after that you need to click on OK, and here you can see that the table is removed and the text is remain there. You need to center it if you want to do. In this way you can easily remove the table format in Word without deleting text. I hope this video helps you a lot. Thanks for watching.